Looking at the daily candle, it shows that price is now bullish since previous day closed above this high. However, overnight price action took out yesterday's high. Right there, it kind of wicked above. And it looks like price wants to head down lower. Let's look at the 4-hour chart real quick. On the 4-hour, there's a volume imbalance here that price took, and there's a huge fair value gap right here that price is now in the middle of. So we've got to watch if this fair value gap holds or not. Let's go down to the 1-hour to see if it gives us some more information. The 1-hour shows that price displaced up is now coming back down from a premium, and price is reacting to this level here, and there's another level here. So I'm just going to mark that out real quick. Going down into the 15-minute price is showing that Asia session consolidated, which means that New York AM session will have some nice price action. London took out Asia low, and price took out London low before New York open. Normally, that would mean that price will continue lower for the AM session, but we need to see what price does in this imbalance here. So we do have some heavy hitters this week. Today we have 10 a.m. news, JOLTS jobs opening. Tomorrow we have the Fed interest rate decision at 2 o'clock. Thursday we have the manufacturing PMI, and Friday we have NFP, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate. So we just got to be patient today to see what price does. Price may want to consolidate until the news tomorrow, or price could definitely range, but we'll see. We're going to be patient today, and I'm going to try to follow my rules. So if you take the fib from this leg to this leg, price came down into optimum trade entry. We are in a market maker buy model. So this is actually a great entry to enter. There we go, right there. Sell stop there. Sell limit up to this high, our price manipulated. So that's where data highs are, I think. Because the change in structure would be here if liquidity was taken here. So the lower time frame change in structure would be up here. I should have waited. I think I rushed this entry here. You know what? I'm going to close it out here. I'm going to wait for a better entry. I'm also watching this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. If this breaks, then I am almost certain that price will take New York AM high, or maybe even these wicks up here. Just wanted to notate this order block here. Alright, update on the position. This order block held. I'm going to move my stop up to the bottom of the body to this order block. I don't think it has another reason to come back down unless price is just crazy. But what I don't like is this. ES has already come back up to London highs, and NQ is lagging way behind. I don't like that. And if you look at the Dow has also made a huge move up. So it's creating a very, very large bearish divergence. We could be seeing like a six sister where NQ is lagging behind and could, pop up. But I'm not liking this. Like NQ is very, very choppy. ES has been moving steadily up, even though the price action is really choppy. It's been pushing upward. So I'm going to keep an eye on this position. I'm not really liking this chop. There's a fair value gap that it broke down and now has reclaimed. But until NQ decides what to do with this fair value gap here, I am going to keep my position intact. If it closes above, then it's going to shoot up to AM highs. If it doesn't and comes back down, then I'm going to have to cut my position short. Something happened to the recording, so it didn't show the execution of hitting that stop loss. This position did close right over here below this order block. Currently my account is at 166.64 in profits. I do like how this inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute candle broke. I'm going to be watching that closely along with this 5 minute fair value gap. If this breaks to the upside, then I'm going to go long, and my target's going to be New York AM high. Okay, in the beginning of the video, if you remember, I stated that if London low was taken before New York session AM, then it's very likely that price will continue downward, and that was correct. So we missed this huge move down, but it's okay. This displacement down is showing us that price wants to head down lower. It did take out New York AM lows, and I think it wants to take out previous session New York PM lows over here. There's also a previous session New York AM low down here. But yeah, we'll see where price wants to head. I don't really like trading lunch session, but if price heads back up and kind of rebalances this area before it takes previous session New York PM low, then I'm going to short. But it looks like it's going to take it out. And if it does, then I'm going to head. Then the PM session should reverse up to take out London highs. But we'll see. I think waiting for the PM session to take out London highs is more likely. If price takes out this pool of liquidity here and decides to pump up, then I'm going to take a fair value gap all the way up to this high. There, it's taken. Okay, so this is my checklist. I'm going to take it up to this high right here. So that's going to be my target, this area. But I need to see confirmation, okay? So right now, price is heading down into a very, very deep discount from this leg up. I'm still bullish. So lower time frame, change in structure. If it displaces up, then I'm gonna start taking this, okay? I'm marking that out. So I need to see price take that out. And we shall see. This is going to be a waiting game. Okay, so the recording software that I used decided not to work. Well, it recorded all of my trades, but it's unusable. So there's so many glitches. But currently, right now, I'm down about $108 with this position. I'm looking for price to take out this high, and that's what we're waiting for at the moment. Yeah, today I started off the day pretty strong in terms of being patient and really waiting for a position to play out. And then after I lost this position here, I kind of just went on tilt and became impatient, went into drawdown of over $1,000. And I managed to get my head back on straight and take this move up, which put me, out of drawdown. So right now with this position, I am at $52 in profit. So we'll see if it hits my take profit here. Oh gosh. All right, stop me out. That's great. Now I'm down $450. All right, stopped out. I'm down $547 now when I was up out of drawdown. It's freaking ridiculous. My account is locked out. I lost about $2,083. Yeah, $2,083. 58 total trades. But you know what? I'm going to try to keep a positive mindset. The first half of the day, I was really patient. And with that change, I'm going to stay optimistic because in the morning, I would normally just enter trades that I think would be good. But this checklist is actually pretty helpful. So if I continue to implement this going into my trades, then I know things will change psychologically for me, and I'll be able to be a better trader. I'll see y'all tomorrow.